Hi 530 tumblers, this is your alternate choreography video. In the chance that when we come back in the fall we're still not allowed to touch each other when we dance, we need to have different choreography in place for some of the lifts and things. So in this video I'm going to explain what that alternate choreography is. Do your best to learn it from this video, and we'll run it with the music and review it, and then review it in your mind before we get back to class in the fall, because I probably won't be there the first couple of weeks to help you through it. Miss Jelly will be there because I'll have a newborn baby and it just probably won't be possible. So really try to learn this, and I think that's everything I wanted to say. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to change is that we are not going to link elbows at the beginning. So we do our 12 little skips around each other. Excuse me. And then instead of doing the linked elbow do-si-do thing, you're just gonna put your hands on your hips and do 12 more skips, just separating out from that straight vertical line to your circle. So it's 12 skips around that figure 8 thing, and then 12 skips out to the circle, hands on hips. Easy peasy. Okay. The next thing that needs to be changed is there is no back flip for Brianna and Tara and Abby and Savannah. Okay? So here's what you're gonna do instead. Assuming this is still the front, okay? You're gonna go ahead and do all this stuff. Step and jump together. Just jump, everybody just jumps in place. You're not gonna be jumping toward each other. Bum, bum, bum. You're going to, let's see, let's have Tara and Savannah. You're going to step like this, and then Brianna and Abby, you're going to step like this. Okay, so you step, it's like if your partner was still there, you're stepping away from them because you're about to cross them. Right, so Tara and Brianna are kind of stepping away from each other, and Abby and Savannah are kind of stepping away from each other. Amelie, you just keep doing exactly what you were doing before, okay? So I'm gonna pretend that I'm Tara or Savannah. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. You're gonna chasse past your partner, 5, 6, 7, 8, and your hands go to your heart. They say something about your heart in the music, so that's what it is. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to do another little chasse step, and your feet are going to do this tuck, jump, but you're going to turn in a circle as you do it. Tuck and out. And as you step out, you're going to drag and reach like kind of what we do when we hold hands with our partner when we come out, but we're not going to be holding hands. Okay, so again, Savannah and Tara, this is what you do. You did 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and then let me do the other part for Brianna and Abby. So you did 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm in a tendu, and I'm looking at my partner. So basically you and your partner are just passing and then going right back where you were. So you should kind of end in that V formation again. Let me go over that tucky thing for people going this way. Chasse step, pick up your right knee, and then you land on your right foot. And with the turn, it looks like this. 7. Okay, so that's that part. Rewind it, watch it again if you need clarification. Okay, the next thing that's gonna change is, so all that choreography also means there's no lift where we hold each other's hands and kind of do that fan thing, okay? Okay, moving on. We do our chasse circle. We're not going to hold hands and cross arms and do that thing, but we are still gonna do the chasse circle. We'll just put our hands on our hips, and let's kind of spread it out a little more too, so that we're not breathing in each other's faces, right? Because that's what we're trying to avoid. Okay, so you're still gonna do your chasse circle kind of low, but you'll have your hands on your hips. And then when you turn around to face the outside, you're gonna turn, you're gonna step back. Let's step away from the circle, reaching your right arm, and then back to your hips. Okay, so your right arm goes first, left arm to your hips. So wherever you are in the circle, if you're on this side, right arm, left arm to your hips. Yes, everybody does right arm, left arm to your hips. And then the rest is the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hurdle, round up. Okay? So hands on hips. For 8, right? Yeah, for 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step hurdle. Okay, and then this is the last one. This one's a little complicated because, okay, this is Amelie's lift section where we were holding her. If we are not able to do that, then we have some choreography instead. Okay, so here's what the choreography will be. You have an 8 count to switch lines. So right now, at the end of what we just did before that, which was like, I'm a girl, I'm trying to win, and we flip and we turn. And I think Amelie, you're doing like this. You have 8 counts to do a roll to switch lines. So Brianna and Savannah, you're gonna do a backward roll, moving upstage on the mats. Abby, Amelie, Tara, you're doing a forward roll to move downstage on the mats. Okay, so say that I am Abby or Savannah. Nope, lies. Say I am Brianna or Savannah. Okay, I'm Savannah, so I'm here. 4, I still step forward and I do this thing here, but then right away, I'm gonna turn around, arms up. Then I'm gonna sit, and I'm gonna do a backward roll. I unfortunately cannot demonstrate that right now. But when you do a backward roll, especially in gymnastics, it's a gymnastics backward roll. So you're rolling right over the top of your head. It's not like a side shoulder roll, okay? You really have to push off your hands, keep your knees together, and you push off so much that you land on your feet and not your knees. So say I'm just finishing my backward roll, I land here, okay, not here. Okay, when I'm doing my roll, you want to make sure that you're really pushing on the ground right by your shoulders. You got to push and really drive your feet over to land here. Well, you'll be facing this way. Okay, so they do, if I'm this person, scoop, then turn, arms up, backward roll to tuck. You have 8 counts. They're quick counts to do the backward roll. Now the other 3, you do forward roll. So who's this? This is Abby, right? You're gonna scoop around here, but then you do a forward roll. Yes, just good old forward roll to a tuck position. So you have to kind of stand up from your tuck, but to here, okay? Nobody's standing all the way up from their roll. Same goes for Amelie. From here, Amelie, you just go arms up, forward roll to tuck position. And Tara, boom, up, forward roll to tuck position. Okay, we got that? So we invert the lines with a roll. For the second count of 8, you have 3 donkey kicks.